One thing that will help you extremely in drawing eyes in the beginning is to start thinking about the 3D structure of the eye and stop thinking of it as a symbol. The better you understand it, the more you'll draw it better. When you look at an eye you want to draw, it's important to have the structure in mind. This will also help you to place the light and shadow. Of course, not every eye is the same. This is also a mind shift that I want you to have when drawing. Focus on the overall shapes of the structure and not only the lines it creates, if that makes sense. Second, don't forget to shade the eyeball. It's a ball after all, and it has a smooth transition between light and dark. Don't be afraid to go dark, it's usually way more dark than you think. Don't make this mistake like old me. And by the way, its color it's not completely white, it's usually this color. Even blue works on this range. It always depends on the setting, but you get the point. 3. Again, coming back to structure, what a lot of people miss, and even I did when I was learning, it's the lower lid. Don't forget to draw it. I promise you when you implement it and start drawing it, your eyes will look more real. 4. Eyelashes. Don't draw every individual eyelash. Make it look messy and represent the texture. If you really want them individual, do the lowest you can. 5. The iris does not have a hard edge as you may think. It's actually a bit soft. Don't make it a hard edge. 6. Where the pupil is the highest point of the upper eyelid. For a stylistic choice, the anime style doesn't really care about this. 7. For drawing both eyes, the proportion that you should know is that one eye should fit in the middle of them. Of course this can change from face to face, but that is the average proportion. Why are you bad at drawing both eyes? Well, because you're afraid to fail, so you never do it, so you never get good at drawing both eyes. So just do it. Trust me. 8. Are you having trouble making the eyes look at you in the drawing? The eyes don't look this way, they look this way. So if you ever want them to look at you, the eye should point slightly to the middle.